Welcome to Hart's informational video about the Hart spark plug sockets. They come in various sizes. They're marked with the size on them, the Hart name. They have a hex end on them for that you can use an end wrench on them or combination wrench for unusual places. They have a 3/8 inch drive, a 6-point socket, and down within the socket there's a rubber to hold the spark plug for it doesn't fall out of the socket when you're lifting it up out of the spark plug access. Sockets have a nice chrome finish. There's a little better picture of the rubber gasket in there. Thanks for stopping in and checking out the Hart spark plug sockets.